Splendid. Little speed limit ahead. Just open us a little bit. Left is a house, you can see on the rooftop of a house around this bend, so is there anything coming out? Is it clear? Yes, it's clear. We've got a right hand bend ahead of us. Coming vehicle, let's not interfere with that. With a left-hander, then a right-hand goes to the left, turns to the right. Straighten out, then goes to the left. Just going to position for that left-hander. We've got some kind of traffic around this bend, that's excellent. Then a right hand. That full speed limit still applies. We're going to do a left-hand then around this one. See if we can, that's it. Then a right-hand, then a left-hander. Here with the truck. Sit. We've got chevrons. We've got chevrons and a little bridge. So what does that tell us? That's it. Just bring our speed down nicely. Climbing to Mam Tor. Enjoy this little bit as it opens out. Some nice little moments on this road. Just read the road. You've got a left and a right. A left and a right. Left and a right. Straighten this one out. Straighten out for what? Flip, great. Goes left, sharp, left, and then now this is lovely. Enjoy this. Yes, 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 yes. Sit. Where's it go? Where's it go? Where's it go? Right, and we're climbing a hill. This could be a switchback. Road surface, appalling camber. Oh, nice one. Where's it go? Left. Having a hill, this could be a switchback. Nigel, if you want to pull in somewhere safe ahead of us, just stop for a moment and admire the view. Go. Right. Front. Lovely. So hope you enjoyed that. Good, good. Certainly give me a run for my money, that's for sure. In fact, at one point this left-hand peg actually touched the ground again with it. We're going right ahead, right. Being careful with this is a fast road, but its visibility is very good. Fast road. I'm with you. How are we doing? position. Just looking for bikes coming round this other bend. Yep, okay. Yep. Coming up this road towards us, so we're just going to position to help the cyclist in case somebody passes. Excellent. Going on to right, left-hander. White line tells us this left-hander could be a bit tight. So lose the view, lose the speed, lose the view, lose the speed. Keep it out, keep it out, keep it out. Good, good, good. Excellent. Just position for this left-hand gentle. Good, excellent. Road bends to the right ahead of us, so we're just going to position for that right. Slow in the road at the junction, slow in the road at the junction, slow in the road, slow in the road. Pedestrians, slow in the road, slow, slow, slow. Excellent. Oh, well done. Well done. I have to hope is that nobody comes crashing down behind me.